In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Tag Manager on your website. A Google Tag Manager is a powerful tool that allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags on your website without having to modify the code repeatedly. It's an essential tool for any website owner looking to streamline tag management and improve tracking efficiency. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started. First, you need to head over to tagmanager.google.com. This is the starting point where you'll begin setting up your account for managing tags. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to create a new account. Click on Create Account to begin the creation process. This is where you'll enter vital information to help identify your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter an account name. This could be your business name or any name that makes it easy for you to recognize the account. Make sure it's something memorable and relevant to your business. Once you've filled in the account name, you'll need to choose your country. Select the appropriate country from the list, as this helps Google provide region-specific options and features. Following this, it's time to enter the container name. Typically, this would be your website URL or something closely related to your site, so you can easily distinguish it among multiple containers if you have any. After you set up your container, you'll be asked to select a target platform. Since we're focusing on a website, you'll want to choose web from the available options. After you've filled out all the necessary information, go ahead and click Create. You'll need to accept the terms and agreements, so give those a quick glance if you haven't done so already, and proceed with accepting them. Once you've set up your account, Google Tag Manager will provide you with two code snippets. These snippets are crucial as they allow your website to communicate effectively with the Google Tag Manager servers. The first snippet needs to be placed inside the section of your website HTML files. This ensures that the code is executed as soon as the website loads. The second snippet must be inserted immediately after the opening tag. Placing it here enables the container to be properly initialized and running in the background as your page loads. Now, to install Google Tag Manager on your website, open your website's HTML files, locate the section and paste the first snippet there, then find the opening tag and right after it paste the second snippet. These precise placements are important for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your website. Finally, save your HTML files and upload the updated versions to your web server. This will implement Google Tag Manager on your site. By following these steps, you ensure that your tags are efficiently managed and your site remains optimized for tracking. Thank you for watching and happy tagging.